Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening CocoaHome and locating the project you want to save. Make sure you are signed in because auto-save and export need your account. Once done, verify the project name and ID so you don't overwrite the wrong file. This is why identification matters. Next, confirm all referenced assets are uploaded and online. Otherwise, linked textures may break when saving. Finally, check your storage quota so the save completes without interruption. This prevents partial saves and data loss. You now decide how to save: overwrite, version, or export. Click File, then Save, or hit the Save icon to commit changes to CocoaHome Cloud. If you need history, choose Save As and add a version suffix. For portability, use Export and select Package Format. Make sure to enable linked assets and plug in data so the project is complete on another machine. Once you start export, monitor the progress bar and do not close the browser. Interruptions cause corrupted packages. You finish by verifying the save actually worked. Look for the success notification and check the project timestamp to ensure changes were recorded. Then, if you exported a package, import it on another device or reopen it in a new tab to confirm textures, lights, and models load correctly. If something fails, examine CocoaHome logs and asset links to locate missing items. Then retry export with fewer assets because large bundles often time out. One key troubleshooting tip: if exports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.